Hey there, how you doing? This is Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. This week's edition of Realtor Recon, we'll be breaking down 3 mandatory questions we need to start asking every single one of our clients today. The biggest mistake that we all make is we assume veterans know their benefits. The fact of the matter is, we do not know our benefits. That's probably the worst way to approach it. Veterans do not know their benefits. And it's for many, many reasons. Okay? So, my mission on these videos is to help provide education, but also how to approach and deal with veterans, because I would love to see you grow your business while serving my fellow veterans and brothers in arms. That'd be awesome to see. Never assume that we know our benefits. So, the first question we need to start asking every single one of our clients today: are you or your spouse a veteran? It's very, very important that you include the women, because let's face it, it's 2019. Gone are the days where the men go to war and the women stay home. Women are enlisting, deploying, fighting, and dying for this country at a greater clip than ever before. So please give them that respect. Are you or your spouse a veteran? You also could be talking to a surviving spouse. Surviving spouse is one who's a widow, whose spouse died in the line of duty, or as a direct result from their time in service. So that was question number 1. Question number 2, are you entitled to disability from the VA? Very important you ask that question the exact way that it's said. Are you entitled to disability through the VA? If you mumble it up, you're approaching the no-no category. But are you entitled to disability from the VA? Because if they say yes at a 10% rating or higher, the veteran is now exempt from the VA funding fee, saving your veteran client hundreds of dollars every month or thousands of dollars each year. And lastly, and the single most important question we need to ask every single veteran client, and you need to see it before you even go house hunting. Do you have your COE yet, or Certificate of Eligibility? The only verifiable proof that a veteran has earned the VA home loan benefit. A VA home loan will never close without this. So if a veteran comes into your office and says, I'm pre-approved, ask to see the COE. Chances are, they don't have it. Most lenders do not get this document up front, and that's the sad fact. It takes me 30 seconds, and I do it on the very first phone call that I'm on with the veteran. Because if there's additional documentation that's needed, I know where to find it. I can point them in the right direction and help them gather those documents to obtain the COE. The difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification: pre-approval is you verified all documents, financial and personal, to ensure that this loan, if it goes into processing and if it falls apart, it's not because of anything on the lender's side. So there you have it. 3 mandatory questions you need to start asking each and every one of our clients today. Are you or your spouse a veteran? Are you entitled to disability from the VA? And do you have your COE yet? My name is Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. Please like, follow, share, comment on these videos. I look forward to seeing you next week. Semper Fi, get after it.